On the way to explore some mines in the western Mojave Desert, we decided to stop by the abandoned water park of Lake Dolores. This was originally opened in the 1950s by Mr. Byers for his family. Later opened it up publicly, and it had been operated under 3 different names, finally closing in 2004. Well, I'm not sure how the wind is right now. It's a little breezy out here. We'll see how it goes. Just made it out here to Lake Dolores. Just did a flyover with the drone. Pretty neat. As I mentioned as a kid, it's a place I always wanted to go check out. My parents would never stop. Always looked so cool. Oh well. So that was Lake Dolores. As I said, I always wanted to check this out. Kind of cool little place there. You can see it back behind me. Into the town of Baker, home of the world's largest thermometer. I think that's about all there is here, but we're going to fuel up our gas tanks and grab some lunch before we head off out into Death Valley, do some more exploring. Beautiful town of downtown Baker. Royal Hawaiian Motel. Place looks like it's seen better days. Of course, you got the Mad Greek. Nice little trailer park here, though. Just finished eating. Take a look at the Baker. This was a quick episode, but make sure you subscribe, because in the next one we get off at Seymour Road, check out the ruins of an old copper smelter at Rosalie Camp before we head out and check out some mines in the Western Mojave and make our way to the Death Valley Wilderness.
Time won't stop, so gonna get on the ride, twisting and turning through life. No matter how rough it gets, I'll get by. Home moves with me where I roam. It's in every dream I make my own. I'm never alone. I know that every day will always bring me something new.